Hello. I'm very happy to be in this dentist chair because the people here are really lovely. And when I came with really bulky teeth, which I've had for about 20 odd years. And now to see the change, it's a great feeling. Not that I cared about looks that much, but the difference is just amazing. And the experience also was very good. Everyone's so kind and caring and making sure that I'm comfortable all the time. And I don't think I was the easiest patient, not because I was worried about the pain, but there was no pain anyway. But I was so worried about water vapor. Looks like I can handle it now, and it's great because of the team, not because of me. It's just I could trust everyone and just relax rather than worry about breathing. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.